Hello students, this is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are now solving mathematics optional paper from our UPSC 2024 question. So this is a question from that paper, and what the question says, we have to find the image of the line x equals to 3 minus 6t and y equals to 2t and z equals to 3 plus 2t in the plane whose equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 26 equals to 0. So we have to make this kind of thing, that is, let us make it a plane. We are here and this is the foot of the perpendicular. We have to see the point which is same distance after it passes through the plane. That means it can be see as a, we can see that it will be a reflection of that point. Okay, now when our t is 0, we are trying to find a point who lies on this thing. Okay, upon on this line. Okay, so our then x will be 3 and y equals to z, y equals to 0 and z equals to 3. So our point 303 lies on the line. Now we have now our equation of the plane is given, which is 3x plus 4y minus 5z equals to 26. So we have to find the normal vector of the plane n cap of which is the normal vector of the plane, and it can be derived from the coefficients of x, y, z. So what will be the normal plane? Normal vector of the plane which is 3, 4 and minus 5. Okay. Now we have to find the foot of the perpendicular. That means this point. Okay. So the formula of mm, to calculate foot of the perpendicular is f plus p plus lambda n cap. Okay, so lambda is a scalar and we need to find what is the lambda. Now what is the value of the lambda? So let us, f equals to 3 plus 3 lambda comma 0 plus 4 lambda comma it will be 3 minus 5 lambda. Okay, as our p is 303 and our n is 3, 4 minus 5, so multiplying by lambda we get this value. Then we are going to substitute these coordinates in the equation of the plane x, y, z. So what we will get? We will get this thing. Equals to 26. Then it will be 9 plus 20, sorry, it will be 9 plus 9, okay, some typo. Okay, it will be 9 plus 9 lambda plus 16 lambda minus 15 minus 25 lambda equals to 26. Sorry, that will be minus 26. Sorry. Extremely sorry. That will be minus 26. So as the given equation of the plane is 3x plus 4y plus 5 minus 5z plus 26 equals to 0. Okay. So the next line will be uh, sorry, I have done another mistake in our equation. So it will be here plus e. Okay. So it will be 50 lambda minus 6 equal to minus 26. So our lambda will be minus 20 upon 50. So it will be minus 2 by 5. Okay. Now the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular, we can find that by putting the value of the lambda in this equation. Okay. So our f will be 3 into 3 plus minus 2 by 5, then sorry, yeah, okay, now comma will be 4 into minus 2 by 5, then it will be 3 minus 5 and minus 2 by 5. Okay, so that will be 3 minus 6 by 5, and it will be minus 8 by 5, and there we will have 3 plus 2. So it will be 3 minus 6 by 5, and it will be minus 8 by 5, and the final term is 3 plus 2. Okay. So we get 9 by 5. After that, minus 8 by 5. Then the final term is 5. So now we have to find the image of the point with respect to the plane. So the image I will be equals to what? Will be equals to the point plus the given point plus the 2 into the foot of the distance between the foot of the perpendicular and the point, twice the distance between the foot of the perpendicular and the point. So what will be, so it will be equals to, we are putting the values, that will be 303 plus 2 into 9 by 5 minus 3, and it will be minus 8 by 5 and minus 0, then 5 minus 3, then it will be 3 comma 0 3 plus 2 into minus 6 by 5 comma minus 8 by 5, then 2, which will be equals to our that will be minus 12 by 5 and minus 16 by 5 and 4. So our correct answer is 3 by 5 comma minus 16 by 5 comma 7. I hope you understood, and this is the correct answer of the question. Okay, thank you.